This could be the car for you. The 2025 Jeep Cherokee L. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This premium Grand Cherokee L delivers luxurious, family-focused comfort and no-nonsense utility. With 3 rows of flexible seating, refined cabin appointments, and a host of sought-after passenger amenities, this bold-spirited adventure vehicle has the performance and towing ability you need to make road trip dreams come true. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors. Utility meets high-end luxury in this family-oriented Grand Cherokee L. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.